Hi, my name is Aditya and I'm going to talk about the Renaissance. After watching this video, you will know how the Renaissance has affected the world. The Renaissance was a time when people became more human-centered and less God-centered. It was a time of peace and people became more liberated. The Renaissance helped mankind to be more knowledgeable in sciences and discovering new artistic skills. Culture grew significantly and inspired many people, which led to new inventions and creations, such as the first telescope ever invented by Hans Lippershey, the School of Athens painted by Raphael, the Last Judgment painted by Michelangelo, the first parachute ever designed by Leonardo da Vinci. One of the most important people in the Renaissance was Leonardo da Vinci, more commonly known as Leonardo da Vinci. He was considered a Renaissance man because he was an expert in everything that made the Renaissance important, which were painting, architecture, sculpting, and an excellent student of everything involving science. Vinci is today known best for his two paintings, the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. One of the most important people in the Renaissance was Leonardo da Vinci, more commonly known as Leonardo da Vinci. He was considered a Renaissance man because he was an expert in everything that made the Renaissance important, which were painting, architecture, sculpting, and an excellent student of everything involving science. Vinci is today known best for his two paintings, the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. The Renaissance started right after the bubonic plague had ended, so it meant that people were relieved as well in sorrow, which meant it was a good time to start the Renaissance. There were both events that positively impacted the world. For example, the invention of the printing press invented by Johannes Gutenberg, and also events that negatively impacted the world. For example, the Spanish Inquisition. The Renaissance had started in Florence, Italy, and gradually spread over the world. Many politicians have discussed why it started in Italy and has been argued over. The Renaissance started in Florence because it had lots of commerce and at the time, and it was one of the most financial cities in the world. It was a perfect place to start the Renaissance as it was as peaceful as it was financial. You can see Renaissance in the map right here. This is an Ishikawa diagram explaining how the Renaissance had affected the world today. Cause 1. The Renaissance has increased our knowledge in sciences and art, for example, the invention of the printing press and the Mona Lisa. Cause 2. The Renaissance has made the people of the world more liberated. Cause 3. There were some events that have impacted people's lives in a negative way, but we have learned from them and we're not repeating them. For example, the Spanish Inquisition. The effect of the Renaissance is that the Renaissance has made the world a better place for future generations. So, in conclusion, the Renaissance has affected the world in a more positive way as it has made the people of the world more peaceful and also has revealed a new stage of knowledge. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed the video.